Are you looking to share a PDF with your email list using Mailchimp, but you can't find an easy way to attach it? You're not alone. A lot of people find this process confusing, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how to do it. I'm Eric from Strategic Email, and stick around because today I'm going to be showing you a simple step-by-step method that works every time. And I'll even throw in a few pro tips to make your campaigns more effective. Did you know that attaching files directly in Mailchimp can actually cause your emails to get flagged as spam? That would suck. But there's a workaround that keeps emails safe from spam filters and ensures your subscribers get the content they need. Imagine you've just finished creating a valuable PDF guide that your subscribers are going to love. You're really excited to share it with them. But then when you attach it to your email in Mailchimp, you hit a wall. There's no obvious attachment button. This is where a lot of people get stuck. But today I'm going to show you a method that's just as good, if not better. So first things first, make sure your PDF is ready to go. It needs to be less than 10 megabytes big. If it's a document that you've created in Word or Google Docs, you can export it as a PDF. Just make sure it's under that 10 megabyte limit. Now that we have our PDF ready to go, let's head over to Mailchimp. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down on this left-hand side to Content. We're going to click this drop-down arrow. And then we're going to go to My Files. We're going to click the Upload button right here. And then we're going to choose the test. So here's our PDF, upload's complete. So once we have our test PDF file uploaded, we're going to scroll up here and we're going to create our campaign. We're going to click on Design Email, click on Design Email. We're going to choose Bold, click Apply. Once the template is loaded, we can go ahead and start editing this. So I'm going to say, get your free PDF here. I'm going to go ahead and select the text. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click this link button that pops up on the top. And now we have text link, link to file. And then we're going to choose select from Content Studio. We're going to click this checkbox. And then we're going to check insert. You can also upload it from your device, and after you save it, it will be in your Content Studio. Now that I have the test done, I'm going to click on save, and there we go. Now your subscribers get the email, they can click the link, and the PDF will open directly from Mailchimp servers. No attachments, no spam risks, just smooth experiences for your audience. If you found this video helpful, click the link in the video description below to sign up for my free email newsletter, where I share tips, tricks, and other email marketing strategies to get those clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.